Yeah,
So
I know.
I see those are two kind of the traditional like HTTP caching layer and this more programmatic caching layer for individual HTTP calls. I see those are two different tools that can be used together to really optimize your application.
Yeah, no, that makes a lot of sense, and especially if it's an expensive operation or multiple calls, like I think you mentioned, uh, because there's the HTTP cache, whether it's on the CDN. Well, in this case, it would be on the CDN, and at some point it will invalidate it, well, depending on what you're doing, but like in my case, for example, like my schedule, I think I invalidate it once a day or something. So if it was really complex to get that, like even when the revalidation happens, it would be probably almost instantaneously, because unless, like, it depends how I set up the cache, I guess, but like
Mhm.
the schedule for my live streams doesn't really change literally every day. It's, I would say, like, for example, today after we're done this live stream, when I go to get the latest cache, it'll include the front page data will be everybody except you, because you've already been on now. But yeah, so you just end up with the two fast calls, the regular caching from HTTP and the CDN and that.
Yeah.
And I guess even on the client side, so like say you're you have a spa that you've built, a single page application, like even if you're hitting some API endpoint that is literally hitting the cache API, that's still going to be super fast too.